Hello everyone! We know that square root -1 is equal to I. What is the value of square root I? To standard form of the complex number, which is square root A is equal to A plus AB. A real number and AB imaginary unity. Okay, so square root I bracket power 2 is equal to A plus AB bracket power 2. We simplify, so this I is equal to A squared plus 2 times A times B times I plus IB bracket power 2. I is equal to A squared. So IB squared, IB bracket power 2 is equal to I squared times B squared. But A squared is equal to -1, so this equal a negative B squared. So A squared minus B squared plus 2 times A times B times I. So I is equal to 0 plus 1 I is equal to A squared minus B squared plus 2 times A times B times I. So 0 is equal to A squared minus B squared, remember, and 1 is equal to 2 times A times B. So A squared minus B squared is equal to 0. Is equation 1, and 2 times A times B is equal to 1. This equation 2. From equation 2, from equation 2, 2 times AB is equal to 1. This divided by 2A and this divided by 2A. We simplify this and this to B is equal to 1 over 2A. Easy. From equation 1, A squared minus B squared is equal to 0. So A squared minus, but B is equal to 1 over 2A. So minus 1 over 2A bracket power 2 is equal to 0. So A squared minus 1 over 2A bracket power 2 is equal to 4I squared is equal to 0. So A squared times 4A squared is equal to 4I power 4. I squared times I squared is equal to I power 4 minus 1 over 4 times A power 2 is equal to 0. So 4I power 4 minus 1 is equal to 4I squared is times 0 is equal to 0. So 4I power 4 is equal to 1. So 4a power 4 over 4 is equal to 1 over 4. We simplify this and this, so a power 4 is equal to 1 over 4. So full root a power 4 is equal to plus or negative full root 1 over 2. 1 over 4. Sorry. 1 over 4. What is the value of full root 1 over 4? So full root 1 over 4 is equal to full root 1 over 2 bracket power 2 is equal to 1 over 2 bracket power 2 over 4 is equal to 1 over 2 bracket power. We simplify this 1 over 2 is equal to square root 1 over 2 is equal to 1 over square root 2. Multiply both sides by square root 2 and this times square root 2. So is equal to square root 2 over 2. So this equals square root 2 over 2. So simplify this and this. So a is equal to plus or negative square root 2 over 2. Easy. We know that b is equal to 1 over 2a. But a is equal to plus or negative square root 2. So b is equal to 1 over 2 times square root 2 over 2, or b is equal to 1 over 2 times negative square root 2 over 2. So b is equal to 1 over, we simplify, 1 over square root 2, or b is equal to 1 over negative square root 2. So b is equal to square root 2 over 2, or b is equal to negative square root 2 over 2. So square root I is equal to a plus ab. So square root I is equal to square root 2 over 2 plus I square root 2 over 2, or square root I is equal to negative square root 2 over 2 minus plus b negative I square root 2 over 2. This solution, subscribe to my channel. Thank you.